Binance Coin and Binance Exchange. What you need to know. Binance Coin is the cryptocurrency issued by Binance Exchange and trades with the BNB symbol. As of now, Binance Exchange is the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world, supporting more than 1.4 million transactions per second. In this video, we'll uncover the basics of Binance Coin, what is Binance Exchange, and how does it work. We'll also explain what trading options Binance offers and how you can use it. If you stay until the end, we'll tell you whether Binance Coin is banned in the US. Let's jump right into it. Binance Coin is the native token of Binance. Unlike other cryptocurrencies, it has a set supply with no mining process. Binance Coin initially ran on the Ethereum blockchain with ERC20 standard, but has since become the native coin of Binance Chain. It is launched during the initial coin offering, or ICO, in July 2017 and has a strict maximum of 200 billion BNB tokens. Almost half the funds raised during the ICO process were intended to be used for Binance branding and marketing, while around 1/3 were used to build Binance platform and perform necessary upgrades to Binance ecosystem. As of now, BNB is the 5th largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, behind only Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, and USD Tether. Now, let's talk about what the BNB coin is used for. Binance Coin, or BNB, is the platform's internal token. It is used to facilitate crypto trading on Binance Exchange. In addition to exchange-specific services, Binance also offers other tools, platforms, and services. Here are a few. Binance Earn is a platform for staking or earning interest by depositing stablecoins with the exchange. Depending on the coin and the tenure, the exchange offers investors multiple options and interest rates for these coins. Binance Visa Card is a credit card that allows users to convert their cryptocurrency into fiat current and spend it on products and services. While the conversion does not incur administrative fees, third-party fees in the form of payment network fees do apply. Binance Smart Pool enables miners to switch between the different cryptocurrencies for mining to optimize and multiply their income. Binance has a blockchain technology incubator called Binance Labs, which focuses on nurturing promising pre-ICO stage projects. It helps deserving cryptocurrency project teams by providing necessary funding for development, advisory resources, listing, and fundraising exercises. Binance also offers a site called Launchpad for hosting new and emerging blockchain projects and API interfaces. As of March 2021, 42+ projects have been launched. Have you heard the term convert to BNB? What does it mean and how can you use it? In the world of cryptocurrency, dust refers to any number of coins or tokens that are so small they're often ignored. They're basically the tiny fractions left from trades. Binance allows traders to convert their dust into BNB using Binance Exchange. Next, let's understand what is BNB Market or Binance Exchange. The BNB Market simply refers to the place where BNB is bought and sold. Most purchases of BNB take place on Binance Exchange. Traders can buy and sell BNB on Binance.com as well as other crypto platforms. Binance Exchange is a leading cryptocurrency exchange founded in 2017 in Hong Kong. It features a strong focus on altcoin trading. Binance offers crypto-to-crypto trading in more than 500 cryptocurrencies and virtual tokens, including Bitcoin, Ether, Cardano, Litecoin, Dogecoin, and its own token, Binance Coin BNB. If you're liking this video and want to see more, make sure to press the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you can get more videos about blockchain, cryptocurrency, and new trends in the future. Let's summarize the key takeaways from Binance Market. 1. Binance is an online exchange where users can trade cryptocurrencies. It supports most commonly traded cryptocurrencies. 2. Binance provides a crypto wallet for traders to store their electronic funds. 3. The exchange also has supporting services for users to earn interest or transact using cryptocurrencies. It also offers programs for miners and to help traders make investment decisions. 4. Binance has its own blockchain-based token, Binance Coin. Now, let's focus on Binance Trading. Like any other crypto exchanges, Binance offers services around the trading, listing, fundraising, and delisting or withdrawal of cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrency enthusiasts willing to launch their own tokens can use Binance for raising funds through initial coin offerings or ICOs. Binance is used by a large number of traders and participants for exchanging and investing in various cryptocurrencies. To start trading, users must complete the necessary KYC requirements. Upon successful trading account creation, users can add cryptocurrency funds to their public wallet address provided by Binance to start trading. Binance Exchange supports 3 types of trade orders: limit, market, and stop limit orders. Limit orders are executed only at the limit price set by the trader. Market orders are executed immediately at the best available market price. Stop limit orders become valid orders only when the price reaches a specified level. Binance offers an additional 7 types of orders for crypto derivatives, specifically futures contracts. These trade orders include 1. Limit order, 2. Market order, 3. Stop limit order, 4. Stop market order, 5. Trailing stop order, 6. Post-only order, and 7. Limit TP or SL order. As promised, let's talk about whether Binance Coin is banned in the US. In 2019, Binance was banned in the United States on regulatory grounds. In response, Binance and other investors opened Binance US. Binance US is an American partner of Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange by trading volume, and which was founded in China in 2017. The original platform stopped accepting US users in 2019 and announced it would instead partner with a US-based version of its platform called Binance US. It also has an easy-to-use buy and sell option for beginners, while more advanced traders can get the benefit of its in-depth, basic, and advanced trading platforms. Binance US can grab investors' attentions with lower fees than many other cryptocurrency exchanges, but we'd recommend paying a bit more attention. Binance US at a glance. 50+ currencies available. Not available in Connecticut, Hawaii, Idaho, Louisiana, New York, Texas, or Vermont. Flat 0.1% fee for spot trades and 0.5% fee for instant buy and sell. $10 minimum trade and option for recurring investments for dollar cost averaging. To learn more, subscribe and leave a comment saying I subscribed, and we will personally reply to your comment. We'll see you in the next video.